This is the goat milk. You saw the goat before. 2 liters. Now we put the milk in a pot and we check the temperature. We put on the fire and we reach 30 Celsius degree. Reach 30 Celsius degree, you remove from the stove, and after you take half teaspoon of rennet. In Italy we find in the pharmacy. I don't know, maybe you can find online. We add half teaspoon of rennet in the milk, and after with the whip, we whip very well. You should mix very well. Also 1 minute, 2 minutes. After you cover with a lid and you keep cover like this without touching for 12 hours. This is why I'm doing this in the evening, so tomorrow morning will be ready. So guys, see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. After 12 hours, our cheese, we can say, is ready. Now we take a strainer, we put on a pot like this, a muslin cloth we put on the strainer, and after we put our cheese inside. We should wait more or less 5-6 hours that all the buttermilk fall down in the pot. Keep it the buttermilk because you can use for different recipes, like the bread to make the dough of the pizza. If we can, if I have time, maybe we can try to make the ricotta cheese, but I'll show you later. So let's go to filter our cheese. After 7 hours, 8 hours, we can take our cheese and put in a jar. The way we keep it and put with the other way that we already collect, because we will use it to make the ricotta cheese. Now we add a pinch of salt and we mix very well. Another pinch, but be careful to not exaggerate. Now we should put our cheese in a small basket like this one. This is homemade because here in Thailand it's very difficult to find them. I take a bottle of milk, I cut it and I make different holes. In this way the whey can go out. We make a little bit of pressure. In this way we remove the air that could be in the cheese. And also the whey will go out because our cheese will deliver more whey. We should put the cheese upon something. You can put upon a glass, small glass like this, but if you see that it's not stable, like in my case, you can choose another solution. I will put now my cheese on the sticks. In this way, when I put in the fridge, will remain stable, because I don't want that after a few hours when I check it, the cheese fall down in the fridge. Okay, after 3 hours we can take our cheese and put it in the fridge. Tomorrow it will be a little bit hard, so we can put upside down inside the same container, and after a few days we can remove it. Now it's too soft, we cannot remove it. During this time, in these 3 hours, I make also the ricotta cheese. You will find the video recipe at the end of this video, here in this area. Okay, see you tomorrow. After 2 days in the fridge, we can remove the cheese from inside the container that give the shape to the cheese. And if you have the basement, you can put in the basement upon a piece of wood. But you should remember to turn upside down every 3-4 days. Naturally, I have not the basement, so I will put in the fridge. To keep the right humidity, I take a plastic bottle, I cut it, and I put 3 sticks. This one is the same stick that I have used to make the candy sugar or sugar rock. Now I remove the cheese, I put inside this container, and I put inside this other container, because this container has the lid, so we can close with the lid. Every 3-4 days we should turn upside down our cheese, always in this container, and after we close again inside, keeping always the cheese in the fridge. So now I put the cheese inside here of this container, I put in the fridge. See you in the next 3-4 days. After 10 days, he is maturing. Probably you have noticed that the shape is different, because when I put out from the fridge to help him to mature, because the fridge is too cold but outside is too hot, the fridge is too dry, outside is too humid, so maybe every 2-3 days you can take out of the fridge and keep the jar 1 hour open. I forgot that, and after 10 hours, when I find the cheese was already melted, because here is very hot, so I add some stick more to the bottle, and now I hope to remember to put in the fridge after 1 hour. So now is already 10 days, maybe we can wait 1 week more and after we can taste it. During this time I'm making other recipe. Here on the fire I am preparing the strawberry jam that will be perfect with the cheese, but I will show you during the tasting. So let's put it again in the fridge. After other 10 days of ripening, our cheese starts to have the mold. Remember to keep in the fridge, because now it's more soft. And I will try to resist other 10 days. In this way, after 1 month, I will open and test it. See you in 10 days. After 35 days, the cheese is perfect because inside is still soft. If you can resist, you can wait 2 months, but I cannot. So now I will cut the bread, homemade, my cherry tomatoes candied cherry tomatoes, my own brew beer, and we'll test everything together. It will be spectacular. Spectacular. Okay guys, here you can find everything. The bread, the cheese, the home brew, and the cherry tomatoes. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you can tap on my face here in the bottom of the screen. Okay guys, see you next time and remember to subscribe. Bye bye. Spectacular. Especially if you like the strong cheese, the one that smells.